Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you how to find the first term and the common difference of a given arithmetic progression, which is AP. Example 1. If the third term and the fifth term of AP are 10 and a 10 respectively, find A, the first term and the common difference, and B, find the sequence. Solution. We first write out the formula of finding a sequence in AP. We have T n, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 in bracket times D. From this formula, when n is 3, that is the third term, n equal to 3, we are having T 3 is equal to A is not given plus bracket 3, which is n minus 1 times D, which is not given, is equal to 10 because the third term is 10. Now, if we simplify further, we have T3 equal to A. 3 minus 1 gives us 2, which is plus 2D equal to 10. We call this equation 1. Then we move to the second step, which is when T n is equals to 5. That is T5 is equal to A, which is not given, plus n, which is 5 minus 1, times D equal to a 10. If we simplify further, we have T5 equal to A plus 5 minus 1 gives us 4 times D, which is 4D equal to a 10. We call this equation 2. Then we can solve equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously. So what we do, we copied it out. We have A plus 2D equal to 10, equation 1, and A plus 4D equal to a 10, equation 2. Now we have different method of solving simultaneous equation, but in this case, because the coefficient of A is equal in both equations, we have to use elimination method. Elimination method, we say equation 2 minus equation 1. A minus A gives us nothing, and 4 minus 2D gives us 2D, equal to 10 minus 10 gives us 8. To find D, we divide both sides by the coefficient of D, which is 2. We have 2D all over 2 equal to 8 all over 2. 2 cancel to left with D equals to 2 into 8 gives us 4. So our common difference is 4. Then we move further. To find A, we put D equal to 4 in equation 1 above. And equation 1 is A plus 2D equal to 10. Then to get A, we have A plus 2. Wherever we see D, we put 4 equal to 10. A plus 2 times 4 gives us 8 equal to 10. Now we collect the like terms to get A. We have A equal to 10 plus 8 crossing sign of equality. It becomes minus 8. A is equal to 2. Therefore, first term is equals to 2, while the common difference is equal to 4. Then we have solved A part of this question. Then the B part says find the sequence. To find the sequence, to generate the sequence, which is B, the first term is 2. Whenever we add 4 to each term, we generate the sequence, which is 2 plus 4 gives us 6, plus 4 gives us 10, plus 4 gives us 14, plus 4 gives us a 10, and so on. To check if our answer is correct, we can check it from the sequence. We have the third term, which is here when n is 3. The answer is 10. 1, 2, 3. The third term is 3. And we look for the fifth term. It's giving us a 10 here, and the fifth term is a 10. So our answer is correct. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.